judgments. It begins with the harvest of the massive Blue Agave Piña. Steamed in masonry ovens, the liquid is distilled and aged. The robotic system ensures the optimal yeast strain is introduced, beginning the vital fermentation process for the Tequila Añejo 7.
Workers carefully monitor the specific gravity, ensuring the mosto is properly fermented into tequila.
The mosto muerto is loaded into the copper pot still. The still is then hermetically sealed, and the heating
the main body or heart of the distillation, the desired clean, clear, high-proof ethanol.
As the run finishes, the final output, the tails, starts to flow. Based on real-time measurements,
The high-proof Blanco is diluted with demineralized water in the blending tank. Automated mixers gently
aroma is complex. Notes of oak and vanilla. Toasted and vanilla.
Excellent body and finish. Firm. Batch A 40.
we see the final stage of Process A, as the Tequila Añejo bottles are crated and prepared for distribution. The agave fiber is pulverized in the hammer mill, then pneumatically transferred through closed piping to the conditioning mixer. The conditioned agave fiber is forced under extreme pressure through the perforated stainless steel die of the pelletizer, emerging
Applied easily in high volume, the agave fiber pellets suppress weeds and retain moisture.
Agave fiber pellets are revolutionizing large-scale agriculture, enhancing soil health and reducing the need for synthetic materials.
Delivery for you, sir. If you could just sign here.
Sure thing. Thanks so much.
The agave fiber pellets move efficiently through the pneumatic system, providing a high-volume, reliable energy source crucial for the greenhouse operation.
The digital gauges confirm the product's performance as a sustainable energy alternative for the commercial customer.
The reliability of these agave fiber pellets is unmatched. As you can see by the readouts, the temperature is perfectly consistent.
These agave fiber pellets are designed to absorb moisture rapidly, releasing valuable organic matter directly into the soil. Agave fiber pellets, the high-quality, sustainable solution for modern gardening, successfully integrating into the consumer.
12 bags of the agave pellets today. You're all set.
Perfect, thank you. They work great.
Soil demonstrates the rich organic